Bitcoin is taking the market down, bringing Pepe, Shiba Inu down with it. But can Pepe flip Shiba Inu in this next leg up? Because we are still in a full-fledged bull market, guys. Things are still going to get much, much crazier than we are at right now. I think we have a lot more upside to go. Can Pepe flip Shiba Inu? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, we're going to be talking about if Pepe can flip Shiba Inu. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. All right, guys, so first things first, I want to show you the Pepe chart because we are seeing a very, very bullish signal here. And a lot of people, when they are new to trading, wouldn't really see this as a bullish signal. It's really this candle right here. We've been seeing these play out over the past couple weeks. A lot of people like to call them Darth Maul candles. It's when you see a big wick to the downside and a big wick to the upside. Usually it starts with a big wick to the upside and slams down and then gets bought right back up. It looks like that Star Wars character's lightsaber named Darth Maul, and that's why it gets its name. Usually in bull markets, during bull market rallies, you will see these moves to flush out the leveraged long positions and flush out even some shorts to the upside first, and then slam it down and really stop loss hunt. But when you see this get bought back up and you see that demand, like this is just a wick, guys. We got bought all the way back up on Pepe. It shows a sign of strength. There's volume in the charts. And I really do believe that we are getting ready to see a massive move here for Pepe. And I do think that it is possible that we can maybe, just maybe, flip Shiba Inu on the way. So let's really break this down here. So right now, we're looking at Pepe sitting at rank number 20, up about 13.78% in the past 7 days. Amidst all the blood across the streets of the cryptocurrency space, Pepe is performing well. Down 13.37% in the 24 hours, but still up on the week, which is crazy. We've been breaking all-time highs on Pepe over the past few days. Honestly, over the past week, we've been kind of making new highs, new highs, new highs. And obviously, today we got that flush out. But we are sitting at a $9.81 billion market cap, okay? Look at this, guys, okay? 24-hour volume, 11.24 billion. It is bigger than the 24-hour volume is bigger than the entire market cap of Pepe. Mind-boggling, mind-boggling. That is absolutely crazy, but that's what you get when you get these huge flush outs. We're going to be going higher, guys, okay? Usually you don't want to be seeing this, but in a bull market, you see these Darth Maul candles playing out. There's high volume. I've seen them before. We're probably going to be getting ready to make a bigger move to the upside here sooner rather than later. Shiba Inu, sitting at a $15.46 billion market cap. Rank number 7, I believe. Let's see what rank we're sitting at for Shiba Inu. Rank number 12 on Shiba Inu. So Shiba Inu is sitting at rank 12. Pepe is sitting at rank 20. Guys, Pepe is sitting at basically a 10 billion, and Shiba Inu is at a 15 billion. It's really not that much. We've seen XRP absorb $100 billion in the course of 3 weeks. We're talking about $5 billion here when it comes to the top 3 meme coins. You got Dogecoin, you got Shiba Inu, and you got Pepe. And Pepe is proving its test of time here. Pepe really does have the largest mind share when it comes to a meme, guys. And I really do think that you're going to see that play out this bull market. I think you're going to see it absorb a lot of liquidity. I mean, you already have seen it surpass a $10 billion market cap, and it was kind of bred in the bear market. So it really hasn't had a full-on bull run just yet, and I think that this time you're going to see some big moves. And how high will Pepe go if it surpasses Shiba Inu? Well, we're talking basically about not a 10x, but you're basically talking about a 50% gain, okay? So you can see Pepe going up nearly a 2x, half of a 2x, all right, guys? But, guys, I'm going to be honest with you. I think that we're getting ready to see a huge inflow of liquidity into the entire market. When you see these violent swings like that during a bull market, specifically during a bull market, it is a bullish thing, guys. And I do think we're setting up for an absolutely crazy altcoin season. And if you believe that Pepe is going to flip Shiba Inu and you think that the altcoins all across the board are going to be going to the moon, then check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin. It's a fantastic exchange. It's KYC free, as well as with this link, it is a limited time offer. You get 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. This is a limited time offer. Take advantage of this now, even if you don't want to trade in a year from now. in a year from now, if you do want to trade, you'll be grandfathered into that 10% off. So I recommend you sign up now. I don't know how long this link is going to last. Check it out. So over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333blacksea. I posted a little infograph of fear and greed because I haven't really been looking and talking about fear and greed indexes for quite some time. And as we start to get this market really heating up, we're starting to see some of these flush outs. I know there's a lot of panic across the board. The new retail investors are going to be panicking when they see moves like this. And honestly, when Bitcoin just sneezes and you see alts just smack down, that's usually a good sign that retail's here and we're going to be going higher. It's usually when the alts don't move significantly is when you know, okay, we're getting close to the end of this. There's not new buyers coming into this. But I say, have not looked at BTC, Fear and Greed Index in a while. Consolidation around 100K is good for the bulls. Alts are heating up. And it's just an interesting graph to look at. We did peak out a little bit at greed, and we're coming down. It's a good thing that we're coming down. It's not coming down that much, but you don't want to be just peaking out the entire time. Like this was a top back here in 2021. You know, you can kind of see when you look at, if you've looked at the Bitcoin, the all-time Bitcoin chart, and you look at this, and you've looked at the Bitcoin all-time chart long enough, you can kind of overlay it in your mind of, okay, well, this was the top in 2021, exactly. And then we hit the second move to the upside, bear market. It's pretty fascinating. But, guys, it's good to see us coming down a little bit. I don't think we come down much past the 70. I think we stay above 70 unless we really see an impulse wave coming further down. But until we see that, I'm not going to say that I expect to see the greed drop much further. When we're looking at the overall market, Bitcoin trading at 96, basically $97,000. Guys, we wicked down nearly back to that 92,000, but still, we didn't break below that. So really, it is a higher low in my opinion. But I would like to see us kind of making a closure a little bit higher than where we did. But guys, I'm going to be honest. These flush outs are normal. A little bit of consolidation is A-okay. I think that the altcoins have much more room to grow here, guys. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 55.94%. When we exclude stablecoins, we're basically at 58%. You know, that's okay. We're seeing a little bit of a bounce. We saw some blood. Look at this. You know, we're getting a little bit of a bounce. That's okay, guys. I did not expect this just to come straight down forever, especially when you zoom out and get a better idea of where we're at here. Let's look at the weekly time frame. Yeah. We don't have any weekly candle closures of a bounce here, but the trend is still bearish, which is great. You want to see Bitcoin dominance being bearish, especially if you expect Pepe to be going sky high, and we are seeing that right now. So this is very good. This is very good. And it's okay if we, you know, come down and stabilize a little bit before we break further down. You can't just break straight down. And if we do break straight down, it's going to be a very, very short altcoin season. So you want it to take a little bit of time, but I do think that the blood in the streets is going to continue sooner rather than later when it comes to Bitcoin dominance, guys. And that's, I'm not saying that altcoins are going to bleed. I'm saying Bitcoin is going to bleed versus alt. So we're going to see Pepe, Shiba Inu, all of these coins perform well here. I do want to take a quick look at market cipher here. Like you can see, we have a green dot on the momentum wave to the downside. That's a buy signal. You see this big move to the upside. I don't really think that we come and test the rising wedge. I think that'd be way too crazy. I would not like to see that. But we could, and if we do touch that, that'll be for another video. But I do think that we're getting ready to just get a little bit of a bounce and come back down. And that's exactly what we want to see. That's what we want to see. If you're a Pepe bull, you want to see that. You want to see this continue to break down and go into the low 50s, the low 40s, as low as you can go, really. But take a little bit of time, And in the spirit of this altcoin season, I know things are pretty red right now, but if I can get to 1,000 followers in 24 hours, we're doing a little bit of a giveaway over on Instagram. You can follow me at 333blacksea. 1,000 followers in the next 24 hours, I will give one of you guys $1,000. So go follow me, 333blacksea on Twitter and Instagram. And also, guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. That's all I really got in this video. I do think that Pepe will flip Shiba Inu. I think it's very, very possible. Just because of the type of mind share it has, all the people, the newer crypto investors that were not around the past cycle and the cycle before, they know about Pepe. They don't really know about Shiba Inu. And I think that Pepe has much more mind share than Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. The only reason why Dogecoin has a lot of mind share is because Elon Musk, let's be honest. And do I think that Pepe is going to flip Doge? Probably not. Not in market cap, at least. But maybe in price? Sure. but it will take some time. But that's all I got for you guys. Please hit that like button. Check out that awesome link down below. Let me know in the comment section below as well. Do you think that Shiba Inu will get flipped by Pepe? Very curious. That's all I got for you guys. I'll see you in the next one.